Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix NVIDIA display settings or not available error in your system. So usually while searching on the Windows, you may get those errors like NVIDIA control panel. You try to open the NVIDIA control panel, it shows NVIDIA display settings are not available. So here what we are going to do is we are going to fix those issues. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So to fix, you need to enter into the device manager and then enter into the display adapter. Over there please find NVIDIA GeForce and try to update or else try to uninstall the NVIDIA GeForce. Once you uninstalled, after that you need to scan for hardware. It automatically scan and download the NVIDIA GeForce, or else you need to enter into your Windows update. In the sense, you need to enter into your settings. Over there Windows update, please check for an update. On there it may shows that your GeForce you need to update. So once it's done, please close all the tabs, and the second step is to you need to enter into the services. Over the services you need to find NVIDIA settings, NVIDIA services. Scroll down and you may see the NVIDIA local system and display container and framework. So over there you need to double tap it and you need to enable the startup type as automatic and then click apply, and then you need to click start. Once you click, you need to click OK to continue. Same as you need to do for other NVIDIA framework and local system too. Yeah, just double tap it, and if you need to make it as in automatic, click OK. Same as for NVIDIA framework. Over there you can select manual or automatic and then click start and then click apply and click OK. Once it's done, please close it, and you need to restart your system. Please restart your system and check whether the issue is solved or not. I hope the issue will be solved. Please restart your system and try to open the NVIDIA control panel. Yeah, now the issue is solved. So this is how guys we need to solve the NVIDIA display settings is or not available error in your system. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to YouTube.